Oh, forgot to turn on the microphone again. Mic check. Somebody give me a mic check there in the chat. So far, it is Friday. We are up 18.55 on the day after 3 trades. We'll go through those. We did, as promised, we had been getting trolled by some of those ICT Muppets in our chat. And so we dropped the broker statements last night. Hopefully you guys check that out. If you're not following me over there on Twitter at Real Vinny Emini, go check out those. You guys have been watching the live streams. And yeah, we went ahead and was like, okay, fine. You wanna see it? And we'll drop the broker statements on it. So stop with the trolling. Have a nice day. We'll go ahead and we'll drop today's as well when we're done. I do have a hard cutoff here in about an hour. Got a phone call with my legal team. We got some really cool information. Rocket Scooter, old school day trader paradise. That Rocket Scooter clown, John Matthew Coward, caught in a final admission that it was he who was using the pseudonym Adam W, trying to frame Adam Webb, and he is caught in his own web of lies, and they're going down harder than macro hedge in a trading competition, and those who are around for that, you know what I mean. That was an absolute beating, but let's get to it right now.
Delta cell building and
all right, we have a rare triple king timing setup coming in right here. Let's see what's going on right here. Take a note on the 3 range. Let's see what's coming in here. Masher has grown massive here. We've had a straight up leg move on the 9 on the Mac V. We have our first sign of diminishing delta right here. So we've got divergence firing in as well. We know we've got a target here at 15.081s. Where is that? I'm going to mark that on the chart right here with a white line, pressing F6. So let's see if we've got some opportunity that pushes us down here. We have a prior region down here. We had this huge moonshot trap opportunity. Remember, when you see a single cross coming in on straight leg into an area like this, and one of those shows up, oftentimes can be the sign that they are trapped, and a huge move into the other side, and the run through the previous region, which we've talked about before, can be some of the biggest plays after an accumulation, manipulation, and a distribution. Before we get started into any of this, first make sure you know that trading is risky. Make sure you understand all of that right there. But if trading is for you, this might also be the place for you. Remember, everything that I'm doing here today is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing that I do here is a suggestion to buy or sell, and you should be making your own trading decisions. I am here to tell you what I do. What you do, still up to you. All right.
Speed of
touching in on the top of the masher, we are waiting for what we hope would be a collapse down to that 81 white line zone right there.
Double delta.
I need, oh, you know what I'm missing? I had hopped out of the audio box room to get on a call earlier. Had a great one-on-one mentorship with one of our students earlier. We actually took some trades while we were on the phone. How about that action? Let's go down to the audio box room here. All right, right, so I am back in the audio box room there, and we are live on YouTube. If you guys want to come out and join us, and who's excited that the audio box will be local to you in the next release? If you guys are excited about that, type audio box in the chat. It's gonna be sweet. No longer having to worry about coming over into the Discord channel chat. You'll have it local. It means you can run it in your own market replay. All that kind of good stuff. Okay, that is a 26,000. 26,000. Absolute carnage right there. So who is feeding that beast? Mark that one as well. F6. Gonna triple highlight this. F6. So I'm just gonna level this up. This area. The cells. Red Enigma, Bollinger Touch. I'll take a short.
Enigma long on the NQ3.
Got an opposing here, so got my finger over the close. Closing it out right there. Okay, a little bit tricky right there. So we had red into a green, touch on the other side.
Speed of
snag a little bag right there. Those things are super annoying. Let me pull those off. I was demonstrating that to one of my students there while we were chatting. Usually I have the text and markers shut off there.
DCDMNQ on the 2.
All right, I'll do a quarter position here on that. I'm going to put a hard stop back behind it. So double cross play, targeting that white line we had identified previously. And of course we have a target down here. If we get a white cross near it, we'll of course have to abandon that position as well.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Okay, stopped out behind the DCDM there, didn't quite get it. Retry level will be right here. I'll press F6 for that to be the retry level there on the white line. Hard to see the deltas here. Let's fix that real quick. All right, retrying one more time. Stop now goes above this little high right here. +1 on the size. Don't like that. All right, so I'm going to enable short enigmas. I'm going to add enter next, and we're going to go up in size, quantity 4 on the next play. I'll go ahead and take a stab at a single cross at the top of a zone here for a potential trap. Stop at the top of the cross.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3. Double delta sell NQ on the 2. Double delta buy NQ on the 3.
Ouch.
Delta by building NQ on the 2. By NQ on the 3. support on the NQ3. Delta by building NQ on the 3. DCDM and Delta by building NQ on the 2.
Okay, got to close out right around here, around this DCDM. Hopefully it stays in here a little bit here on me. I see that big 10 over here. I should have closed out the position. I was over there messing around with my stop over there. All right, closing out half the position here on the double crosses. Okay, I'm gonna lock in this position. Yeah, that's no good. Just not my lucky day today. Fridays are tougher. Yeah, closing it. All right, boo. Well, that's weak. Okay, so soft little session there on me. Stuck up at the top. Right into a retry spot here. Gonna press F6. Give me a cross and I'll go back again. There it is. Stop at the top of the cross.
Double delta sell NQ on the 3.
Don't you do it. Come on. All right, Joker. So we're gonna keep going. Is that what's up? Crazy talk. Got our levels there. I'm gonna absolutely massacre this thing when it comes back through. You know that. Here comes king timing on the 3s. All right, if we don't have 50 likes in the next 30 seconds, stream is shutting down. We're at 34 likes. If we don't get to 50, I'm pressing close. Seconds. Y'all have a fantastic weekend.